Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. My name is William and I hope you're having a great day. In today's episode, we'll be looking at our stay in this hotel located in the heart of Asakusa. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to get new updates when we upload a new video. Without any further ado, let's dive into the video. This is the Richmond Hotel Premier International in Asakusa. We booked this hotel for 2 nights during our trip in Japan. Although we really enjoyed staying in this hotel, what we loved the most was its location. We will get into that in detail later in this video. What you are looking at the moment is the way to the hotel reception. Take the lift to the 5th floor and that will bring you to the reception or the hotel lobby. As you can see there in the back, you will find the Uniqlo store. They have a nice looking lobby area with adequate seats for some guests who are waiting. Of course, the staff are all nice and friendly. Right outside the hotel lobby is the observation deck with a beautiful landscape garden. From here you can see the 2 popular tourist destinations in the neighborhood. First off is the Senso-ji temple. Getting to Senso-ji temple will take you about 2 minutes walk from the hotel. Next is the Tokyo Skytree. You can reach the Tokyo Skytree roughly within 25 minutes by walking, or you can take the train at Asakusa Station via Ekimise on Tobu Skytree line. As you can see here, I am using Google Map, and it shows that it will cost about 157 yen by train. Then, get off at Tokyo Skytree Station, which is the next station from Asakusa Station. In total, it will take you around 11 minutes from the hotel. Before we get a tour of our room, we booked a superior twin non-smoking room using Agoda in the 3rd week of October, and we paid $128 per night. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Agoda. The room is at 27 square meter in size. This was in the high season when a lot of tourists prefer traveling to Japan due to the pleasant cool weather of the autumn season. Although prices vary depending on the season, basically from September to the first half of November is considered the high season in Japan. If you want to save up with your hotel accommodation, I suggest that you check when the off-peak season in Japan is. Despite the price, I believe it's a great value for the money, considering that you will be a few minutes away from Samurai Ninja Museum Asakusa, Tokyo, again in Senso-ji Temple, Tokyo Skytree, Nakamise Shopping Street, Shin Nakamise Shopping Street, Sumida Park, Ueno Park, Ameoko, Akihabara, just to name a few. Just in case you're wondering how far is this area from Narita Airport, there's just one train ride away via the Asakusa line on the local train. That is about 11 stops from Asakusa Station, with a total travel time of 52 minutes, and it will cost you around 1,372 yen. That's why we love this place. Alright, let's cut to the chase and check our hotel room. As soon as you open the door, you'll find a short hallway, which is very common for most hotel rooms. To your right, you will find a place to hang your jackets or clothes. This spray bottle is a deodorant fabric freshener that comes pretty standard in most hotels in Japan. There's an ironing board and a deadlock steel cabinet. There were actually 2 pairs of sleepers. I'm already using the other pair. This stores a toilet and bath. First impression of the toilet, it's really clean. The Japanese style toilet with all of these controls and buttons. I will definitely miss this when we get back to Hong Kong. There are towels provided. I just wish they provided us with some bathrobes. There's a huge mirror too, a clean sink, a decent sized bathtub, also really clean, big enough for me to lie down and submerge my body in a hot bath. Shower heads to enjoy your hot or cold shower. They are very generous with the shampoo, conditioner, and body soap. There's hand soap at the sink, and last but not least, a hair dryer too. Moving on, just outside of the toilet, there is a small countertop. But underneath, behind these cabinet doors, you will find a small refrigerator, some cups, an electric kettle, and an ice bucket. Just opposite the countertop, that is outside of the bathroom, you will find a full-size mirror. Reflecting in front of the mirror is a small stool and a round table. Let's move over to the TV area. The hotel has provided a huge TV. I'm assuming this at least a 55-inch TV, which is becoming really standard for most hotels we booked in. Next to the TV are a box of napkin tissue, TV remote control, a phone, and a table lamp. These are basically standard room amenities. And they even provided a universal charger in case you need one for your phone. Moving forward, there's this huge window where you can see this side of Asakusa. Again, the Tokyo Skytree and Senso-ji temple over there. By the way, we are on the 12th floor, in case I haven't mentioned that. I totally forgot to make a video of the view at night from this window. Seeing the sky tower at night, the view was spectacular and romantic, especially when it was changing its color. Alright. Last but not least in this room are the beds. My first impression was the sheets were super clean and nicely tucked. And there were also pajamas provided. I find the mattresses and pillows soft and comfy. Overall, the room was really clean and we are really happy with this room. Here, I'm just checking the floor light and the night light. Back again outside. Before we finish this video, here's a small surprise for you. If you're a big fan of Don Quixote, it is the building next to Richmond Hotel Premier International. You can visit this huge Don Quixote store anytime from the hotel. Alright, that's it for this video and hope you liked it. Again, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next episode. Bye!